Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you need to connect your laptop to a printer quickly and easily? This updated 2025 guide makes it incredibly simple. We'll walk you through every step, whether your printer is brand new or you just need to reconnect it. You'll be printing important documents, cherished photos, or crucial school assignments in no time. Get ready to streamline your workflow and enjoy hassle-free printing with these straightforward instructions. Let's start with the basics. First, plug your printer into a power outlet and switch it on. If you're using a wired connection, simply connect a USB cable from your printer directly to an available USB port on your laptop. For wireless setups, ensure both your printer and laptop are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This crucial initial step prepares your devices for seamless communication. Next, your laptop needs the right software, or drivers, to understand your printer. The best place to find these is usually on your printer manufacturer's official website. Search for your specific model. Alternatively, Windows or Mac OS often handle this automatically through their update features, but a manual download ensures you have the latest version. Installing the correct drivers is vital for full functionality and troubleshooting. Now, let's officially add the printer to your operating system. On Windows, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and select Printers and Scanners. Click Add a Device. On Mac OS, open System Settings, then Printers and Scanners, and click the plus button. Your printer should appear, select it, and follow any final on-screen instructions. A quick test page confirms everything is working perfectly. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your laptop and the printer. This often resolves minor glitches. Double-check all cables for secure connections or confirm your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable. If problems persist, consult your printer's manual or visit the manufacturer's support page for specific guidance. You're now equipped to print with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.